Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Credit Karma for investment account insights, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the URL for Credit Karma. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button. Click on sign up to create a new account. Fill in the required personal information, including your email address. Create a strong, secure password for your account. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to confirm. Next, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email. Open your email and find the message from Credit Karma. Click on the verification link in the email. Return to the Credit Karma website and log in to your account. Once logged in, look for the Investments section on your dashboard. Click on Investments to access investment account insights. If prompted, complete any additional setup questions. Explore the available investment options tailored to your profile. Choose the level of insights you wish to receive. Enter your payment information carefully for the subscription. You should receive a confirmation message about your subscription. Now you can enjoy personalized investment insights through Credit Karma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.